We did this exercise in English B notebook, in this notebook. Okay, after that, do the work on your book. Practice exercise A. Okay, choose the correct option. Don't write this in your notebook, just do on book. Sam. As I told, with singular noun we use is. Sam are very quiet today, or Sam is very quiet today. So Sam is singular, we use is here, cut R. I am, we use am always with I, cut is I am in the hospital. The students dash making a lot of noise. Students are plural noun, as I mentioned here. Plural noun we use are. So put tick on R and cut is. They, again they, plural. They all very tired after the walk. Put tick on R, cut this is. Fifth one, you dash the monitor of the class. You are the monitor of the class. But the thing, we are using you for singular. Why we are using are here? Because we are giving respect. So that's why we use are here. In the third exercise, exercise C or B. It's exercise B, I think so. Page 15. Make sensible sentence by matching the correct word from the column A with their correct ending from the column B. And don't write in your notebook, just do on book. You are late for school. He is playing with his pet cat. She is knitting a sweater. We are going for a picnic tomorrow. They are buying gifts for the party. I am doing my homework and it is a very cloudy day. Match them on the book. The last exercise, last page of lesson number 4, page 16. Okay, the sentence below have an error. Correct it and write the sentences. Don't write in the notebook, but we can write this in our notebook. Okay, done. This exercise is HW on English B notebook. This is your HW. Rewrite the sentences and correct them. Write the correct sentences in your English B notebook. First one, the snake is singular, so they are hiding in the grass. There is only one snake. Underline R and write is here. Mr. Kent am a police officer. This is the wrong. Am right is here because we use with singular noun. Mrs. Lamb is a good doctor. Underline R and write is here. Jenny and Tina, they are plural, more than one. So we use are here, going to the market.